This is a new plant for me. Never saw it before, and it was in the oddest of places. This is, I think, valley number 1, 2, valley number 3. And I must say it's a very beautiful thing. It's taken aback. It's a sideways spreading plant by and large, and quite small and inconspicuous also. It looks somewhat like that Lepidagathis incurva. Just faint resemblance. The flowers and all are much showy and nice in this compared to that Lepidagathis incurva. The overall shape looks a bit like that.